What if we lived at our fullest potential? What would our lives be like? Most of us are probably living to our fullest potential in a few ways, perhaps in our careers, fitness journeys, or relationships. But there's also likely numerous other areas of our lives that aren't at their fullest potential. Maybe our homes are a cluttered mess, or our work-life balance is off. Our faith walk is slacking, or our eating habits are sabotaging our fitness goals. Not living at our fullest potential can lead to guilt, unfulfilled longing, and misery in those areas. We could choose to be complacent in those areas, or to ignore them, or try to embrace them as fine. But what if we chose instead to live every area of our life to our fullest potential? What if we finally reached our fitness goals? What if we finally got our finances in order? What would life be like if our relationship issues were resolved and our interactions were full of continual joy? How wonderful would it be to have the work-life balance necessary to both have and enjoy what we need? What would life be like if we had a closer relationship with God, knew our calling, and lived out our mission? We've already seen what our lives are like when we don't live at our fullest potential, and we may not have liked what we've seen. So let's envision, what would our lives be like if we lived to our fullest potential in every area? Let's envision ourselves enjoying balanced success across all areas of life. Imagine quality time with the people you love, looking and feeling fit and healthy, living in clean, organized spaces, having time and resources to achieve our aspirations, all parts of our lives functioning smoothly and in harmony, us feeling fulfilled, our hearts at peace, and our daily experiences filled with joy. Can you see it? Isn't it beautiful? A better quality of life in every way. Now that you have a visual for how you would thrive at your fullest potential, don't you want to experience it, see it, live it? To help you enjoy that better quality of life, I post weekly videos, live online gatherings, and workbooks showing how to live at your fullest potential financially, spiritually, emotionally, in your relationships, fitness, and so on. You can find links to these on my website, trulythrivinglives.org, which is linked in the description below. For now, watch my next holistic mindset video on how to live at your fullest potential so you can start enjoying a better quality of life today.